What to do when your orthotics hurt. So you've bought some orthotics and you fitted them in your shoes and you start to wear them and they're uncomfortable and they make your arch irritable, or they make the side of the pain more painful. So this is usually a sign that you're doing too much too soon. The way an orthotic insole works is that it actually corrects or adjusts your foot and does some of the work that the foot should be doing, rather than have the muscles and ligaments in the foot doing the work. This rests the foot and helps the foot to heal itself. So when you wear your orthotics that are quite supportive, often they can cause some irritation in the beginning when you're wearing them in, if you wear them and you wear them too much too soon. So what we recommend for wearing in your orthotics when you first get them is you wear it by an hour on the first day and increase it by an hour every day. So it'll be 1 hour today on the day that you get them, and increase it by 1 hour every day. So 2 hours tomorrow, 3 hours the next day, and so on and so forth, until you can wear them all day. Then when you can wear your orthotics all day, that's when we say you can go for your first run or exercise in them. And we usually say underachieve on the first few runs. So if you're used to running 5Ks, maybe go out for a 1.5K run on the first run, and then 2Ks the next run after that, and slowly increase your distance as you run. It's important that if you're getting irritation when you will start to wear in your orthotics, that it's not always a bad thing. This can be a sign that there is a change being made in your feet, and it's taking some time for your feet to adapt to the orthotic. So so the little bit of support will actually irritate your arch to start with, and it takes some time for the skin in your arch to actually toughen up and thicken up, and for the orthotic to adapt to your foot and your foot to adapt to the orthotic. So we say usually your orthotics are a little bit rough to wear in for about the first 3 to 4 days. By a week they're okay, and 2 weeks they should be perfectly pain-free and comfortable. If you've got custom-made orthotics and they're not comfortable after about 2 weeks, you should get your podiatrist to adjust these for you. This is really simply done in any podiatry clinic. Or check the fit. If you're wearing off-the-shelf orthotics, you need to check the fit in the shoe, that the orthotics are sitting quite flat in the shoe and not resting up on the arch, making the arch too high, and it will irritate your feet. If you've got any questions or comments about how to wear in your orthotics, or what to do if your orthotics are irritating you, please comment below, or you can contact us at docpods.com or ergonx.com. Thanks.